Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walmart and we are about to get into some quick and easy rebate deals that are really good. So we are not going to be in here too long. I'm not trying to hit a bunch of bonuses today. I'm not trying to do a whole lot. I am just trying to get stocked up on some household stuff, and we got some really good deals going on right now. And you know how these rebates work, you got to move fast before they disappear. So that is why I went on ahead and put on my clothes and got up here to get these deals. Before we get started with the rebate deals, I did notice that these folders were on clearance at my Walmart. So these 5-star folders right here are just 25 cents on clearance. You guys, they attach to the $2 cashback rebate on Ibotta. So we're gonna pick up 2 for 50 cents, then get $2 in cash back. Easy $1.50 moneymaker to help us pay for some of our other items. The all detergent is a nice freebie right now. So these are $3.47 regular price at my store. I am gonna be submitting back to Ibotta for $2. Some accounts will only have a $1 rebate, but I do have a $2 rebate, and we have a $1.50 manufacturer coupon. So after the $1.50 manufacturer coupon, we're gonna pay $1.97, and then we'll get back $2 in cash, making this free plus a 3-cent profit. And this deal is also good on the free and clear detergent. If you use that, you can grab this one for free as well. Same deal, $3.47, $1.50 coupon, $2 back on Ibotta. Next thing I'm going to be grabbing is some Snuggle dryer sheets. So these are $1.97. I'm going to be using the $1.50 manufacturer coupon, making these just 47 cents. The next that we're going to be grabbing is on the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. So we are going to get one of the refills and one of the sprays. That will total us up to $12.10. We got $14 in rebates that we're going to submit back for. We're going to get $4 from Ibotta, so $2 on each one. We're going to submit back for the disinfecting products rebate on Swag Bucks. That'll give us $6 back for 2. And we're also going to submit over to the coupons app for 1 bottle and to Alexa for 1 bottle, $2 each. So that'll be a total back of $14 after spending the $12.10. These two should be free plus a $1.90 moneymaker. I'm gonna grab this pumpkin scented Air Whisk Essential Mist Starter Kit. So this baby is on clearance for just $9.32 at my store, which is still a little high, but we got some rebates that make it work. So we're gonna submit back for $5.50 on Ibotta, and we're gonna submit back for $5.50 on the coupons app. So we'll get $11 back, making this baby free plus a $1.68 cash moneymaker. If you're not interested in the pumpkin scented one, you can grab a regular one for $10.97. Submit back for your $11 in rebates, and they are completely free as well. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Finish Quantum. So these are $4.12. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $4 when you buy 2. And I also have $1.50 rebates on the coupons app and Alexa, so you can submit back for $3 total. That'll make your final cost just $1.24 for 2 bags, or just 62 cents each. Next thing I wanted to grab is this Persil. So these are $5.44, these small bottles, but I do have double rebates that seem to be attaching on Ibotta. So I want to see if that works. And the double rebates are only working on my account. When I tried it on my husband's account, I don't think I saved the $1 offer, but on my account, I have a $2 and a $1 offer that are attaching to these bottles that should make these $2.44 with no coupons needed. Let me show you. So we are gonna go in here and hit this little search bar and then go down here. And as y'all can see, I got a $2 and a $1. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get credit for 2 offers. And now we also have $1 manufacturer coupons for this deal to add in. You may actually have a $2 coupon, but we got $1 in my area. So with the $3 back from Ibotta plus the $1 manufacturer coupon that we can use because the rebate does not exclude coupons on Ibotta, we should have $4 in savings, making the Persil only $1.44. Now, if you have a $2 coupon, you'll be able to grab these bottles for just 44 cents. The next product I'm grabbing is the Febreze Odor Eliminator. So this is $9.47. But similar to the Persil, I have two different rebates that are attaching. I have a $3 and a $2. So that'll already give me back $5, making this just $4.47. But at my other Walmart store, I noticed that there were $3 hang tags for a mail-in rebate to give $3 in cash back when you complete the rebate. So I'm also gonna submit back for that, giving me another $3 in cash back. So I should get $8 back total. At this store, they actually have $3 hang tag manufacturer coupons instead of a rebate. I'm not gonna use those because the offer does exclude coupons on Ibotta, so I wouldn't get my $5 back. I would prefer to actually submit the rebate form. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go check out. I'm gonna split this up into two different transactions so I can use both of our Ibotta accounts, me and my husband's account. So I have it split up and divided, and then I have my coupons organized so I can be very quick when I go to self-checkout. So here is my receipts for both of these transactions. I had no issues with any of my coupons. I was able to just scan them and drop and go. First transaction, I did the all detergent, one of the Airwick kits, and the 5-star. That was super simple. My subtotal came up to $17.70 for that deal. I got back $14.25 from my Ibotta and then $5.50 from the coupons app for the Airwick. Total cash back was $19.75. That made everything, the detergent and the Airwick, completely free plus a $2.05 moneymaker. Second transaction was everything else, so that was a much bigger deal. I got back $29.50 on Ibotta. I got back $9 from the coupons app. On Swagbucks, I did have to submit for review, but the reason being is because my receipt paper did not print out very well. Like the receipt did not print out clear. So I knew I was gonna have an issue with Swagbucks because you know the system with them is already janky. And if that receipt is not on point, you're gonna have to submit for review. So I had to submit there. And then I did get back the $5 from Alexa. I already got that back. I already got back the $9 from the coupons app. And then I have to submit for the $3 Febreze rebate. So total cash back for transaction number 2 was $52.50, giving me a final cost of just $1.39 for that transaction, making both transactions come out to be completely free, plus a very small money maker. I will just consider it to be free. For all the detergent and household products that we got, I will take that all day. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.